Hello guys, this is Autosocials and today I'm going to show you how you can change your Twitch username in your Twitch account. I'm going to read you through the steps that you need to take in order to change your Twitch username. Now, you need to keep in mind that you can only change your username once every 60 days. If you had the Twitch account for a while, you might feel like you've overgrown the username you chose up when you first signed up. So this is what you need to do in order to change your username. So go over to the Twitch website and make sure that you're logged in. Then head over to your profile button and then select the settings, which is the second to last one. When you get there, you go to the profile settings section. And there you can see the section labeled username, and you can see a pencil icon on the far right. Now you can click that button, and then you will be entering the new username that you want for your account. Once you've completed these steps, you just need to click on update, and your username will be changed. Just keep in mind that you can do this once every 60 days, so if you changed it once, you'll have to wait until you can change it again. And that's pretty much all there is to it, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one.